Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that we all have in our bedrooms, but we might not realize how important they are for our sleep quality. Yes, we're talking about duvets and pillows. Duvets and pillows are an essential part of our sleep environment. They provide us with comfort and warmth, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. They also play a crucial role in regulating our body temperature while we sleep. Let's start with duvets. A duvet is a type of bedding made of soft fabric filled with down, feathers, wool, or synthetic fibers. They come in different sizes, weights, and warmth levels, which makes it easier to find the right one for your sleeping preferences. Duvets are essential for maintaining the right temperature in your bed. They can keep you warm during cold nights and cool during hot summer nights. Now, let's talk about pillows. Pillows are not just for resting our heads on, they also provide support for our necks and spine. A good pillow can reduce the risk of neck pain, headaches, and even snoring. It's essential to choose the right pillow for your sleeping position. If you're a side sleeper, you might need a firmer pillow to support your neck, while back sleepers might prefer a softer pillow. Duvets and pillows are not just about comfort and support, they also play a significant role in our overall health and well-being. Getting a good night's sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. Poor sleep quality can lead to a range of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and depression. Therefore, investing in a good quality duvet and pillow is an investment in your health. So there you have it, the importance of duvets and pillows in the bedroom. They are more than just accessories, they are essential for a good night's sleep and our overall health and well-being. So if you're struggling with sleep, consider upgrading your bedding, and you might be surprised at how much of a difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.